Welcome everyone, I'm Scott Sellers, Senior Education Specialist for Great Clips. Today, I'm excited to share with you the important benefits and key details about molding cream from Latitude by Great Clips. This molding cream is a thick, styling product with a flexible hold and a natural finish, perfect for creating textured looks on short to mid-length hair. But did you know that you can also achieve a firmer, long-lasting hold by styling with heat? In this video, I'll cover both methods. Now, let's talk about what ingredients make this product special. Molding cream is packed with Comfrey to help prevent dryness, breakage, and split ends. Rosemary for antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Plus, it helps increase blood flow to the scalp. Hops to strengthen hair strands, helping to reduce breakage. Ginseng to revitalize hair and scalp. Lemon to help fight dandruff and promote hair growth. And white pine and horsetail to help maintain scalp health. So first we're going to take a scoop of the product. Small scoop. I'm going to place that in the palm of my hand. We'll emulsify. We want to be sure we get it between our fingers. And then from behind we'll work forward. And then from the front we'll work back. Mannequin's moving. That applies the product from underneath and above. Make sure you get some in between your fingers so that way you can work and lift the product. And then make it a little piecier around the front. It's great for separation throughout the top. And then of course with our finishing touches, we want to take what product is left and smooth down those sides and adjust any flyaways. So now that we've set the foundation and styled the haircut one way, I'm going to show you something a little bit different by adding one element, and that's heat. I'm going to grab my hair dryer here, turn it on, low heat, low air, and we're just going to use this product and first rework my fingers and just to get that product redistributed. And now we can take that comb and really get some height from the product. You want to use your hair dryer in the direction you want the hair to go for maximum volume. And now that we've heated that product a little bit, we've got some extra lift and some extra hold, and it really helps to maintain that same great shine that we had previously. And of course, we always want to distribute a little more product down in the faded area. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Latitude by Great Clips. And for more information on this product, go to the Resource Center on the Salon Innovations website. Hover over the Educations tab and select Product Knowledge. If you enjoyed this video, show your support by giving it a like, clicking on the subscribe button, and hitting the notification bell for future updates. And until next time, keep styling.